Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Sean Rosenblatt here. Doing a video talking about expanding my horizons, showing off my new art kit. I'll show you what I got here. I got the Nick Pro Deluxe Artist Painting Set. I'm going to do some painting. It comes with acrylic, watercolor, oil painting. It's pretty nice. Also, stay healthy, people. Don't be afraid to work out. Get your reps in whenever you can. It's good. It's healthy for you. Do it as much as possible. And allows you to keep strength. I got a nice 25-pound X-Bell I like to work out with, and I just want to eat healthy, get healthier. As you can tell, I've been a bit overweight, and it's just good to exercise every once in a while. And I try to get 100 of each reps in a day. That way I can start getting better and doing yoga. Yoga is a fun activity. It's also healthy. And yeah, do some yoga, work out, exercise, improve your life while you can. That's what they always say. Okay, so we're gonna get into this box. Looks like I gotta go get a knife. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the knife. I got this off the Amazon for $111.99. I might put a link in the description. It's not a paid promotion or anything. Just want to improve my life by working on some art, and who knows, maybe I'll sell some paintings down the road. I'm thinking of going on Twitch and doing some art live on Twitch. That could be fun or something to do in my free time. I thought I got that. I did get it. Okay. Let's get into this box. Okay. It's got some styrofoam on the top. This will probably be my easel. And it is. Okay. So it comes with an easel. Let's take that out. Extend the legs. There we go. The legs extended. Alright. And lock that into place. The easel actually feels pretty flimsy. But I guess it is what it is. It comes with this piece here, which entirely sure, to tell you the truth. Oh, that comes out there. And you stick that piece in there. Relock that piece in. Okay. That'll allow you to set your paintings on it. IBDTroll case. Bunch of brushes. You got your fine tip. You got bigger brushes. So, like, good set of brushes there. They look like horsehair. So, that's pretty good. More brushes. They look like the watercolor brushes, I think. They got fine and flat and everything you're gonna need. Nice little brush set there. So that's 2 brush sets. One for watercolor, one for acrylic. It's got a nice little bucket. Let's see. And it's got a little palette for your paints. And your brushes can fit into the little holes around the bucket. It's kind of cool. So that's the bucket. You got sponges for cleaning up. And also painting probably. A couple of nice sponges. 14 by 11 canvases. You get 2 of them. Okay. This is your assorted oil painting spatulas. Assorted oil painting spatulas, so that's kind of nice. Get a better look at them. Here you go. You got acrylic paper pad, watercolor paper pad, and an oil paper pad. Another case, more brushes. These look like more like the ones you'd use on watercolor, I'm not sure. It's got a nice fanning brush. So far you get 3 cases of brushes. That's really nice. Again, those are the brushes. Okay, you got assorted acrylic paint. Get all those. I think there's 48. Got 48 different colors of acrylic paint. That'll come in handy for sure. Eight by 10 canvas. You get 6 8 by 10 canvases. So that's kind of cool. 6 8 by 10 canvases. Let's see what else in here. You get a set of 24 oil paints. 24 different colors of oil paint. You get 24 different colors of watercolor. I heard the oil paint isn't that good. We'll find out eventually. Like I said, I'll probably be doing some painting on my Twitch channel. Link will be in the description. Okay, now this is a wooden watercolor easel box. So that way you can sit at a table and paint. See, that'll come up. And you'll put that down. So that is pretty cool. Watercolor easel box. And it has a little storage space underneath. There we go. How does that work? There's a little storage space underneath for your watercolor paint set. So you can sit at a desk and do watercolor. It's got little snaps on the side. It's a cool little box. Cool little box. And yeah. So far the kit's awesome. It's an awesome kit. I'm really happy I got it. You got your color wheel for making colors. You got another little paint tray for your watercolors, I'm assuming. And you got a palette for your oil paints and mixing. I'll probably get another palette, probably a big wooden one like Bob Ross or a clay one. And I'll mix my colors on it. I was told the oil paints weren't good. We'll find out in the future when I do some painting. Like I said, I'll be doing that on live on twitch.com. IBDTroll on twitch.com. And yeah. Oh, look at that. There's a wooden palette for mixing oil paints and stuff. So there we go. I already have one of those now. I don't need to go buy one. But I probably will buy another one if I get into it. And that looks like everything. It's got an instruction booklet. Yeah. Tells you what all the paints are, all of that, what the package includes. So there you go. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be trying to do some painting. I'll be trying to do some painting on my Twitch channel in the future, live. I'll try to do more live streams in the future. I'm also going to try to exercise more, get healthy, start eating more healthy food, a bunch of chicken, some liver, and vegetables. I can flavor it up. It'll be good for me. Add some ramen noodles here and there for some carbs, and I'm good. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Comment the doodly-doo. It helps me in the algorithm. Check out my Twitch channel. Link will be in the description. Alright, everybody. I love each and every one of you. Take care. Make the best you can out of this life. And I hope to see you guys chatting to me on Twitch. Maybe I'll do some live YouTubes if this starts kicking off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk to you later. Take care of one another. Till we meet again. Goodbye.